It's Week 10 of National Football League play, and a lot of people are asking me, hey, Morency, who do you like this week in the National Football League? So I figured I'd lay it down right here on motherfucking YouTube. Give me the Jacksonville Jaguars in a battle of 4 and 4 teams. The Jags aren't great, but I think they'll be able to run the ball and keep it close. Hell, they might be able to win this football game outright. The Tennessee Titans are suddenly winning football games because Vince Young's been given an opportunity to do what he does best, win football games. I don't care about his motherfucking delivery. I don't care about his accuracy. I care about the wins and losses. I also care about the point spread. Give me the Buffalo Bills. I know Trent Edwards is not going to remind anybody of Jim Kelly anytime soon. Hell, he's not even going to remind us of Alex Van Pelt anytime soon. But give me the Buffalo Bills plus the 6.5 points, please. Give me Matt Ryan over Jake Delhomme. This is like deciding whether I want to listen to ABBA or Anthrax. Give me Anthrax and give me the motherfucking Dirty Bird. San Diego over Philadelphia, because Philadelphia generally choke at this time of the year, and this is the Superchargers time of the year. A lot of people are asking me, hey, Patriots, Colts, who do you like this week? That's a tough-ass game to pick, so I won't. Give me the over. Give me the over 49.5 points, and give me the over 49.5. How many motherfucking times we hear Al Michaels and Collinsworth tell us how great Peyton Manning and Tom Brady are. Other than that, you're on your own. May the winners be yours.